welcome back to my channel Bake and Bite Bakery. So friends, today I have brought something very tasty and amazing for you. This recipe is very simple yet amazing and full of the flavors. So friends, today we're gonna make banana coffee cake. It's an amazing coffee cake which you can enjoy at your tea time or as a dessert, as you can serve it hot or cold. So friends, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give us love and support as you did earlier, and let's get started with the recipe. So firstly friends, we're gonna sieve our dry ingredient in a one bowl. Here I'm pouring like flour and baking soda, add it, sieve them all together. It's time to make our liquid batter. It's time to mix all our liquid ingredients. Firstly, I'm gonna mash our bananas well. When our banana is mashed well, it's time to add sugar. I'm gonna use 1.5 sugar in here and mix it. When they are mixed well, it's time to add coffee which I have blended. I am taking here about 1 teaspoon. If you love the strong flavor of the coffee, you can add a bit more of it, as I am also going to add here like half more teaspoon and mixing it well. So when you see it's mixed well, it's time to add one amount of milk. I'm here using just like half of milk, and we will keep the rest of the milk like it is. As you can see, the liquid batter is like very well incorporated all together. It's time to add flour into it. We're gonna add half and half of our flour into the mixed batter, as you can see, and let it incorporate well into the batter. So I'm gonna add just left of half of it. As you can see, it's now drying up, so we add the rest of the milk into it and incorporate it well. First I'm gonna pour in all the 4 teaspoons of butter into it. It will moisten our cake and it will be totally yum and delicious. As you can see, it's like very good now, but yet I'm gonna add like few drops of milk into it to make it like even. So it's time to add essence into it, and I'm gonna pour it 1.5 teaspoon of chocolate essence I have here. You can add any of the essence which is like your favorite one, and just give it a good mix. Bake it in the oven, and I have preheated it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to bake our batter. I'm gonna bake it and keep it 20 to 30 minutes. I have pan here. I have 1 tablespoon of butter, and now I'm gonna put these pieces of the banana and let it sear it until they turn golden brown. Friends, as you can see, our bananas are pretty good. They are looking pretty good. It's time to add some of the sugar into it to just let them caramelize, and with it I will add some milk to it, as it can get incorporated and they stay creamy and tasty caramel flavor. So friends, I'm gonna make this sauce into the same pan because I want the flavor of the banana into my sauce. I'm gonna pour all the milk, and it's time to add about 1 teaspoon of coffee, blended coffee into it and let it simmer or boil. So I'm gonna make it like simmer it 2.5 minutes. It will be ready. So friends, as you can see, it has been reduced well, and texture and the flow. So it's time to just take it out of the pan. I have taken out the cake from the oven and it's super smooth and super spongy, and look at the cracks till the cake is perfectly baked. So let me take out it of the utensil. So friends, as I'm gonna serve this yummy and delicious cake hot, so I'm gonna assemble it right now. So I'm gonna poke into the cake to let it absorb all the sauce, to lick it more even. As you can see, it's looking amazing. And as I'm done with my coffee cream, I'm just gonna pour the bananas over. It's too gooey, hot and yummy. You can less bake in it and don't add the milk to just keep the bananas looking as it is the natural shape. But yeah, I love the gooey and mushy. It gives more amazing flavor when you just ate them. I have either some sparkles, some pearl sparkles, and I'm gonna just sprinkle over it just to give it more finish. Our coffee and banana cake is ready. Friends, if you love the recipe I just shared with you, so make sure that you give us a like, subscribe and share.